Hello, and welcome back to English Daily Flow.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Emma.
And my name is Kevin. On this channel, we help you practice English with simple, real conversations.
Please, if you like our video, remember to subscribe and like it. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please. And we love meeting new friends from around the world. Please tell us in the comments, where are you watching this video from?
Yes, write your city or country name. We want to say hello. Today, we are talking about a very modern topic.
We are talking about technology.
Phones, computers, the internet, smart homes, it is everywhere around us.
Yes, we cannot live without it, even if it drives us crazy sometimes.
So, Kevin, how are you today? You look a little sleepy.
I'm okay, Emma, but honestly, my eyes are very tired.
Oh no, why are your eyes tired? Did you work late?
No, it's because of technology. I stayed up very late last night looking at my phone.
Ah, the classic screen trap. What were you looking at? Was it something important?
Not really. I was watching videos of cats playing pianos for 2 hours.
2 hours? Kevin, that is a complete waste of time.
I know, but the algorithm knows me. It keeps showing me funny cats. I couldn't stop scrolling.
That is called doom scrolling, Kevin. Or maybe cat scrolling. It is very addictive.
It is, and now I need coffee to stay awake. So, let's talk about the technology we use every day.
Good idea. Let's start with the most common one, the smartphone.
My smartphone is my life. It is glued to my hand. It's my alarm clock, my map, my camera, and my connection to the world.
It is amazing how much one small device can do. Do you use it for work too?
Yes, I check emails on my phone, but I have a problem with typing.
What kind of problem?
My fingers are too big for the small keyboard. I make so many mistakes.
Oh, typos. That can be dangerous.
Yes, yesterday I tried to text my boss. I wanted to say, I am working hard.
And what did you write?
Autocorrect changed it. I sent, I am working hardly.
Oh no, that means the opposite. It means you are not working much.
Exactly. My boss sent me a confused emoji. I was so embarrassed. I hate autocorrect.
You should definitely check your messages before you send them. I prefer using my laptop for work. I like a real keyboard.
You are smart. Laptops are safer.
Let's talk about apps. What apps do you use the most?
I use WhatsApp to talk to my family, and I use a weather app.
Is the weather app accurate?
I don't know because I never check it. I have it on my phone, but I still go outside and get wet in the rain.
Kevin, technology only helps if you actually use it.
That is a very good point. What about social media? Do you use Instagram or Facebook?
I use Instagram. I love seeing photos of nature and my friends' travels. It makes me feel inspired.
I use social media too, but sometimes it makes me feel jealous.
Jealous? Why?
Because everyone looks perfect online. They are all on holiday in Bali, drinking coconuts, and I'm here eating cold toast in my kitchen.
That is an important lesson, Kevin. Social media is a highlight reel. It is not real life. People only show the good parts.
That's true. Nobody posts a photo of their burnt toast.
Exactly. Or their mismatched socks.
Hey, my socks are a fashion statement.
Let's move on to smart home technology. This is becoming very popular. Do you have any smart devices?
Well, I made a mistake. I bought a robot vacuum cleaner.
Oh, the little round robots that clean the floor? Those are cool.
Cool. No, it is evil, Emma.
Evil? How can a vacuum be evil?
I named him Dusty. I thought Dusty would be my friend. I thought he would save me time.
And
Dusty has a mind of his own. Yesterday, he chased me into the kitchen. He kept bumping into my feet. Bump, bump.
he just wanted to clean where you were standing.
No, it was personal. And then the worst part happened.
What?
I took off my sock, my favorite blue sock, and dropped it on the floor. Dusty ate it.
He ate your sock?
Yes! Vroom! Gone. I had to chase the robot and fight him to get my sock back. It was a war.
So you were fighting a robot in your living room.
Yes, and the robot won. My sock is ruined.
Maybe you should stick to a normal broom, Kevin. Smart homes sound too dangerous for you.
I agree. I also have smart lights, but they don't understand my voice.
Really?
I shout, "Turn off lights," and nothing happens. I have to shout 5 times. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy.
Technology is great when it works, but when it fails, it is very frustrating.
What about passwords? Do you have trouble with passwords?
I use a password manager, so it remembers them for me.
You are so organized. I have a notebook, but I lost the notebook.
Oh, Kevin, that is not secure.
And every website wants a different password. Must have a capital letter, a number, a symbol, and the blood of a dragon.
It feels like that sometimes. It's for security.
I know, but I always click Forgot Password. I reset my password every week. I am the Forgot Password champion.
You definitely need to get a password manager app. It will change your life.
I will try, if I can remember the password to download the app.
What do you think is the worst part of technology?
For me, it's the notifications.
The little sounds, ping, ding, buzz.
Yes, it's so distracting. I try to work on a script, and my phone goes ding. I look at it, it's an email about pizza.
And then you stop working.
Yes, then I order pizza, then I watch cat videos, and suddenly 3 hours are gone.
That is why I turn my notifications off when I work. It is called focus mode.
Focus mode. That sounds like a superpower.
It is. You should try it. Just silence the phone.
But what if someone needs me? What if there is an emergency? What if the queen calls me?
Kevin, the queen is not going to call you.
You never know. I want to be ready.
You suffer from FOMO.
FOMO? What is that? A type of cheese?
No, fear of missing out. You are afraid you will miss something interesting.
Yes, that is me. I have severe FOMO.
We need to help you take a digital detox.
Digital detox. That means no phone?
Yes, no phone, no computer. Just real life. Go for a walk. Read a paper book.
That sounds terrifying, but also peaceful.
We should try it this weekend. No screens for 1 day.
Okay, I accept the challenge. But can I bring my robot vacuum?
No, leave Dusty at home.
Deal.
Well, we have talked a lot about technology. We used some really great vocabulary words today.
Yes, let's explain them properly for our friends. This is the mini vocabulary lesson.
Great. Let's start with the word device.
Device. D-E-V-I-C-E.
A device is a machine or tool, usually electronic, like a phone, a tablet, or a laptop.
My smartphone is my favorite device.
Perfect. The next word is notification.
Notification. N-O-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. That is a long word.
A notification is the message or sound your phone makes to tell you something new happened.
I turned off my notifications so I could sleep.
The next word is scroll.
Scroll. S-C-R-O-L-L.
To scroll means to move the screen up or down with your finger.
I scroll through Instagram when I am bored. Or doom scrolling.
The next word is glitch.
Glitch. G-L-I-T-C-H.
A glitch is a small, temporary problem with technology, like when your screen freezes or the sound stops.
My video call had a glitch and my face froze in a funny expression.
That happens to everyone. And the last phrase is digital detox.
Digital detox.
This means taking a break from using electronic devices to reduce stress.
I need a digital detox after fighting with my robot.
Excellent. Let's repeat the words one more time.
Device,
Device,
notification,
notification,
scroll,
scroll,
glitch,
glitch,
digital detox.
digital detox.
Perfect. Try to use one of these words today.
Now let's summarize our conversation.
We talked about how technology is useful but also distracting.
We talked about autocorrect mistakes and how embarrassing they can be.
We talked about my evil robot vacuum cleaner, Dusty.
And we talked about the importance of taking a break from screens.
The grammar point today was simple verbs for technology. Check emails, post photos, send messages.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
We want to know about your habits.
Today's question is, what is the one app on your phone that you cannot live without?
Is it WhatsApp? Is it YouTube? Is it Google Maps? Or maybe it's a game. Be honest.
For me, it's the calculator app because I cannot do math in my head.
For me, it's my calendar app. It organizes my life.
Please write your answer in the comments below.
And tell us why you like it. We love reading your answers.
And remember, we asked you at the beginning, where are you watching from? Don't forget to answer that too.
Yes, we want to see how global our family is.
Thank you for practicing English with us today. You are doing a great job.
Put down your phone now and give your eyes a rest.
Yes, go outside, see the sky.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. I'm going to apologize to my robot now.